The solar panels have come. Let's get them up on the roof and let's get going. You join me on this sunny, sweaty day where my solar panels that I ordered from eBay have turned up. Here's two of them. I do actually already have two on the roof that I lifted up. They're not particularly heavy, 15 keys, something like that. So I'm going to temporary mount two because that's all I've got the cable for at the moment. And we'll see what we get generating today, just out of curiosity. Like I say, this will be a temporary mount, but you know what they say, nothing is permanent, it's temporary. So let's go see what we need. I think Barney wants to come up and help, but he can't be a helpful puppy today. So here we are on the rooftop. As you can see, I've got two panels up here already. As you can probably tell, part of the roof gets shaded by the sun gets shaded by the roof in the morning, because it's now midday, no, just before midday actually. But you see the front of the roof gets decent light during the day, so for most of the day. So I'll put one behind each other on this side, and I'm going to have to take some measurements on where I'm going to put the other two, but I believe the best place might be at that end of the roof, on that piece there, it's there, because that doesn't really get shaded at all day, and it just means running longer cables to where it needs to go in. So let's have a look at trying to temporarily mount these things, because we need to get wires to the back of them, and that means they can't lie completely flat, obviously. Right, I built two little wooden pieces out of a crate, basically the end of a crate, to lift it up enough to get to the wires, put them together. What I'll do for now is I've ordered some brackets for it all, and some alley for it to make it a frame, but obviously we don't have a frame right now. So to keep it nice and safe for now, what I'll do is I'll perhaps bolt it straight down. Maybe I can't. I'll have to create some hooks that go over it and hold it to that crate for now, because I don't want the wind getting under it and lifting it. Not that we forecast any particularly strong winds, but rather safe than sorry. And with that, I think we have it mounted safely enough that it isn't going to go running away anywhere. And we have enough room to get our cabling out. So let's go and do that. Right, so cables all hooked up. Let's get them over the edge, into the garage and into the battery system. Right. Let's see what we can do about getting this all wired up. Right, we've come in through the above the garage door, run round, come down, and into the battery input for the EcoFlow Stream Ultra. So let's get this all tidied up, zip tie it so it's nice, make it look less like a mess. So now let's have a chat about the results of plugging it in. So we've got two panels installed, both generating energy, and as we can see from the EcoFlow Home app, they're pulling in a decent amount. So we've just checked on that, and the home shows you we're getting some from the solar. We go into the battery, we can see 500 odd being generated, using none from the grid, which is great, which is what we want. We'll have a look at our custom plan, so we can see we're charging during the day from solar only, and charging in the evening from the grid, just to make sure the battery's topped up, which is great. And if we drop back to the home screen, we can see that we've got all of our stats starting to populate. So we'll keep an eye on it now and make sure that everything's looking good. We'll try get the other two panels up and installed. I've got cable on order, and I've got the connectors and stuff on order, the crimp, whatnot. So we'll get that installed, and we can see what we can generate from 4 panels during a whole day compared to what the 2 panels did today. So they were up from about 1 or so. I got it completed. So we've got half a day's worth of generation to compare to, and we can compare to it tomorrow. The weather's meant to be very similar, so we can see what we get. So I'm going to call it there for this video. I'll get the other 2 panels up and I'll do a short on that. Barney's here to say hello. Come here, baby. Ah. Say hello to Barney. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. You going to say hello to everyone? No? Okie dokie. We'll get the other 2 panels up, like I say. I'll do a short on that, showing you how I did that and the wiring and creating the connectors and the crimps and stuff like that. We've got some other videos planned. I've got Home Assistant integration to show off, how we can integrate it into Home Assistant and get some automation set up around things, depending on state of the battery, state of the solar, how much it's pulling from the grid, all of that sort of stuff. It's highly customizable, and I've started to have a play with that, so I'll show how we can get all that set up and working. So if you like this video, thanks. Like, subscribe, all that malarkey. Is there hype now or something? Don't ask me, I'm not into it. But besides that, have a look at one of these videos. Maybe they'll be interesting. If not, then go find someone else on YouTube to have a play and look around on. Enjoy. Have a good day.